Yo, what just happened to WP Carey stock? So check this out. It's basically at a new all-time low, or well, we'll just call it 52-week low because it hasn't been this low since February 2021. And right now the yield is actually 7.43%, but that actually is not here to stay because they actually announced a dividend cut and a spin-off of their office business. So office space is doing really bad right now and they just wanted to spin it off. That's kind of what Realty Income did, if y'all remember. Orion Office REIT, they spun off the offices because they don't want to own those. So, is it a smart move? I honestly think so. And check out this. They have some really good numbers, and I think after the spinoff, they might even be a bit better. Well, look at this. So, core FFO of 247 million. Remember, this is the number we want to look at for REITs, and WP Carey is a REIT. And so, if we see how much their dividend costs them, their dividend only cost them 229 million. So, obviously, they actually have some room to grow that. And if we head over to the issuance retirement of stock, they haven't been issuing too much stock. So if we go to the total common shares outstanding, 1 year ago it was 192. Now it's 213. It's not terrible. It's really not that bad because when we go to their assets versus liabilities, look at this. So the ratio has stayed the same, so 51%, but their assets went from 15 billion to 19 billion. So that's pretty cool to see. Yo, so we're on Mumu here. We're going to look at their EPS estimates. This is what the analysts are expecting. Look at their revenue, kind of going in a straight up line. But if you look at the expectations, they keep beating the expectations, which is really cool to see. And here's the EBITDA expectations. Still pretty cool to see, but WP carry stock, man. So now let's go look at the Seeking Alpha article that I found that talks about this. So look at this. So look, WP Carey announced that it's exiting its office business via a spin-off of asset sales. So it announced also that it'll be cutting its dividend after the spin-off. So remember, it was like 7.5%. I wonder what they'll cut it to. I don't think it'll get cut too much, but it will get cut a little bit. In the market, yeah, as y'all saw the stock price, the stock market clearly didn't like the announcement. Stock went taking. All right, so the guy who wrote this is Samuel. So let's see what Samuel thinks about the spinoff because he's writing for Seeking Alpha, so he must be smart. All right, so this is kind of like a bullish case. They want to, get rid of their office ones and focus more on the industrial properties. So look, WPK believes it will earn a better valuation multiple from the market without owning any office assets. So basically, it'll enable it to grow faster, creating more long term value for the shareholders. So at first glance, hey, this all seems good. There's the stock price. It really was not doing too good, down 7% that day. Man, that was crazy, man. But hey, if y'all are enjoying the video and you like my perspective, please hit that like button for me and subscribe if you're new. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And if you look at the number, we're getting kind of close. But yeah, now I wanted to show you something really interesting. All right, so here's Realty Income, okay? It has a similar price performance, but WP Carey is doing a bit worse. But I wanted to show you, remember how I said they spun off their office REIT business? They actually did that right here on 11/15, and they spun it off. I'm going to show you what the stock price of the office REIT did. So WP Carey has been holding on to these office properties that are probably doing similar to what this is doing right here. Yeah, this isn't very good. It's basically gone straight down since inception. If you originally got it, you'll got it at $30 and then it was at 17 and then dude, now it's at 5 and it's yielding 7.5%. It's yielding the exact same thing as WP Carry. Let's actually look at the numbers of how the Office REIT is doing that they spun off. So already they have net income losses. It's again probably similar to what WP Carry's offices are doing. But look, here's the balance sheet. The assets have gone down. But oh, here's the core FFO. So look at this. This actually isn't too bad. This is the number we want to look at. 32 million in the most recent quarter, up from 1 year ago. How much does their dividend cost? Okay, their dividend only cost them $5.6 million. Let's check out the stock. They haven't been issuing any stock. Yo, I don't know if you'd want to invest in the offices right now, but this one isn't looking awful now that I look deeper into it. It's not looking awful, but look how it's performed though. Yo, last thing, check this out. It says WP Carey's management decided to hastily move to exit the office REIT portfolio entirely, and it will likely destroy a lot of shareholder value in the process. But that being said, this guy remains bullish on the stock at these prices, trading at a discount at the price to AFFO ratio, which is what you want to look at for REITs. But yeah, Thank you guys so much for watching. I really would appreciate if you'd hit that like button for me and subscribe for new. 1,000 subscribers is the goal. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Check out these 2 videos up here. See my review on Moo Moo. And yeah, I'm just rambling.